Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I've got a piece of hair that's flying up, of course it is. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we are at the Melbourne airport and I'm making my way to Sydney. So I have been invited again by Rimmel London to attend the LGBTI awards again. So I'm so happy, so thankful. So my check-in from my airport and my check-in from my hotel isn't until I'd like to say 3. So I'm going to just have lunch with Suitor before I get ready. So yeah, I'll show you guys what's going to happen tonight. Hey guys, so my flight has been delayed by an hour, which kind of sucks because I wanted to use that 1 hour to kind of like wander around Sydney before I met up with Suitor, just try and maybe go to Oxford Street and grab and take photos. But anyway, what can you do? Hopefully it's only an hour and hopefully it's only today. Hopefully tomorrow it's not, because I have to go to work tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm catching a 6 AM flight so that I can come back here to Melbourne and go straight to work. So hopefully it's only this flight, and I understand that it's, you know, engineering stuff, so they have to make sure that the plane is safe, which totally understand. It's just circumstances are just not the best. Yeah, I was gonna go walk back to the main lounge to get some coffee, but it's like really far away, so I'm just gonna stick to the Jetstar lounge, which honestly has like only one coffee shop. Actually no, not like, I should avoid saying that because that's annoying. There's only one coffee shop here, and I don't think the coffee looks that appealing, but coffee's coffee and I really need another one. Yeah, so it's just here. I think everyone's kind of annoyed that the flight's been pushed back because we were told it was only going to be like a 20-minute delay, and we all just stood there in the queue. But yeah, things happen. So we'll just go grab some coffee from this place called Quick Fix. Oh gosh guys, so no very good start. Sorry, I'm not going to vlog myself because it's a little bit awkward. But yeah, issues with my boarding pass, got that sorted, and now there's issues with the plane and it's been delayed for like 2 hours. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, finally here in Sydney. So after 3 hours and like a lot of delays, we're finally here. So basically what happened was there was something going on the plane, and engineers had to come on and like fix it. So instead of like leaving at 9:25 as scheduled, we left at 12:15. Yeah, so that kind of ruins some of my plans for the day, but it's fine. It's all for safety. I'm all for that. So I'm going to just order one of those cards, and then I'm just going to head over to the hotel, check in early if I can. If not, I'm going to leave my bag and then I'm going to wander around. I need to grab a couple of things from a pharmacy anyway, so we'll go there. I have to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit anxious. I'm feeling self-conscious again. It's just one of those days I woke up feeling like that. Actually no, that's a lie. I've been feeling like this for the last few days. I thought I would be feeling a little bit better today, but apparently not. Anyway, I'm going to try and find a ride to get to the hotel, and I will chat with you guys once we're there. Okay guys, so now I think this is Westfield. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm in one of the food courts along George Street. I think this is Westfield, or this is Maya. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been here. And I've got this. Oh, I think I got my phone call. Okay guys, it is now 2:42 in the afternoon, and yes, my phone is really oily because I just got off the phone. I'm at Westfield. I think this is one of the, not supermarkets, shopping centres in the CBD along George Street. I thought I would have some lunch because I'm starving. I was supposed to have lunch with Suitor, but unfortunately due to the flight delays and some things were happening on her side as well, so we decided to cancel, and then we'll just catch up some other time. But I ordered a pork katsudon from one of the shops here at the food court, and yeah, I'm starving. I'm really hungry. This looks really good. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is pretty. Oh wow guys, this place is pretty. Last time Rimmel put me up in the QT along George Street, I think. And now we're at the Regency. And I think I've got a harbour view. Let's have a look. Oh, yes it is. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Thank you so much to the team at Rimmel London and Highland for organising this. Oh my gosh. Spoiled. Ah. So guys, this is the view. How insane is that? This is an insane view. I never would have ever thought I would be in a room, a hotel room in Sydney, as fancy as this, facing that. That is insane. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. I love the water, I love this view. And there's a monorail station where it used to be the monorail station. We're gonna do a little bit of a story time. So I remember when I first moved to Australia, I went to a university town called Wollongong. That's where I went to uni, but it's quite close to Sydney, so I'd come up quite often. And I think it was my mum's friend who showed us around, I think, or it might have been one of my uni friends. I honestly do not remember, but that used to be the monorail station. There used to be like, well, a monorail that goes all the way up that way. I remember getting on or off at that station and I was just like, oh my gosh, so amazing. And here we are today. I'm in a hotel facing that and with that incredible view. So I'm just waiting for my bag to be brought up to the room, and then I'm going to start getting ready for the event. I've got a face mask ready. I'm going to really prep my skin. I mean, I've been prepping my skin for the last 2-3 days and I think it's working, but obviously before I put on makeup I want to prep it one more time. And just real talk, guys, and guys, this is just real talk. I've had quite a roller coaster 2018, and yeah, it's just really nice to see that 2019 is nicer, and you know, I get to experience these things. And I don't want to seem emotional because this is supposed to be a fun vlog, but you know, it's just really nice that my work is being appreciated and I get to collab with brands that truly appreciate my work and just support the LGBTIQ+ community. And yeah, just I don't know, I'm just going to just take it all in, because I don't want to cry because then I'll get puffy. But yeah, I'm just very, very thankful. Alright, my bag is finally here and I'm gonna have a shower because I feel a little bit sticky. I didn't anticipate it to be this warm. When I left Melbourne, the weather report said like it was gonna be 24, 25. Got here, it's 28, and I walked around in direct sunlight, so the sun here is a little bit more intense than down in Melbourne. And I also needed my chargers because my phone and my iPad are about to die. So good timing, thank you so much. So yeah, perfect timing. Just gonna quickly have a shower, put on a face mask, and then start getting ready. Alright guys, so I've just had my shower. I still have the mask on. I'm going to leave that on for a little bit longer. I've got the bathrobe on. So I'm just going to do some ironing, ironing my stuff for tonight and also my work stuff. And then I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to put all my other balms and serums, and then I'm going to start to get ready. I have a general idea of what look I'm going for. I've been playing around with a couple of makeup bits for the last few weeks, and I have a general idea, but it's definitely going to be smoky, no doubt about that. Alright guys, so this is the suit. This is from Suitor's and I am obsessed. I love this red jacket. It looks so good. Last year I wore a blue one. Last year I wore sort of like a navy blue sort of like colour, so I thought I'd switch it up and go for red, and this is definitely going to do the job. The LGBTI Awards has reached out to Rimmel London and has asked me if I would like to do the red carpet and get interviewed by Alan Tsbulya, and I'm just like, okay, this is next level. Never really expected to do that. I'm feeling a little bit more confident, a little bit more pumped up this time. When they first approached me, I was a little bit, you know, being anxious again, but now that I've got my makeup on and I've got the suit on, I feel a little bit more like my old self, more confident, and I'm ready to just go, and hopefully I don't get any foundation on my neck, sorry. Yeah, I'm feeling more confident now, and I think I'll be fine. And I know I've got amazing people that are coming with me tonight, so I'll be fine, I'll be fine. It's just all in my head, and you guys are coming along with me obviously, so you guys will get to see what's happening. had a professional photo done there, and honestly it's been quite full on. It's like bam bam bam, like interview, red carpet, actually red carpet, interview, photos, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm glad that it's all done because now I can kind of relax. I'm gonna hang out at the Rimmel booth and hopefully get another drink because I left my drink over there, but it's alright. And I don't know how my interview with Alan went. I felt like a little bit awkward because I was caught off guard, but we'll see, we'll see. So the LGBTI awards ceremony is over. I'm so happy and so thankful to Rimmel London for inviting me again this year. Such an amazing experience. I got to see a couple of familiar faces, met a couple of new faces I should say as well. And yeah, overall had an amazing time. Yeah, just super thankful and love you guys. Thank you so much. Hey guys, it's now 4 AM. Sorry about the last bits of footage. I was convinced that I filmed like a goodbye to the night sort of thing, but apparently not. I only did it on my phone. Anyway, yeah, it's 4 AM. I'm just making sure I've got everything packed away. So I'm just going through the bathroom, just making sure, you know, packed everything. I don't have much with me anyway, so that's good. Yeah, my flight's at 6 AM. I don't really have to be there until like 5 o'clock, 5:15, 5:20, you know, that sort of thing. But I'm going to leave soon so that, you know, I get there early and I don't have to really stress. And I also want to have something to eat before I hop on the plane because I plan on just sleeping once we're on the plane. I think I've only had like 2 hours sleep, which is absolutely mental when you think about it. But I feel fine so far, and you know, like once I get to Melbourne, if I still feel quite tired, I'll probably just grab a black coffee or a Red Bull. I've had Red Bull before, so yeah, I can do that. As long as I've got food in my stomach, we're good. Before I officially head off, I just wanted to show you guys this incredible view. So beautiful. So that's obviously Cockle Bay Wharf. Such a beautiful sight at night. And I think before I went to bed, I think there was still lights down there, like really colourful ones. Or it might have been across the bay, I don't remember anymore, but yeah, such a beautiful view. Okay, I think I've got everything. Ooh, might need that. My key card. Oh, and by the way guys, if you guys are interested, this room's on the 7th floor facing the harbour. So yeah, I have to get my thoughts together. I haven't had coffee. Probably do that once I get to the airport. Hey guys, so we're now at the airport. Alright, so I'm just gonna have some breakfast. I didn't have coffee because I want to sleep on the plane. So I've got some water. I think I ordered a bacon and egg McMuffin, and then I got a hash brown with it because it's a meal, and I got an extra one because I'm hungry and I love hash browns. Alright guys, we've made it to Melbourne. It is Sunday, so the next day. I pretty much just went to work and I felt absolutely fine. Yeah, I don't know, I felt like I just got to work and I was just in the rhythm of things and things weren't really bothering me, and by I think 12 or 1 PM, that's when I started to crash. Like as soon as things started to calm down at work, I just felt, wow, it's like slowly creeping up on me and I'm feeling the exhaustion. Good thing my partner picked me up. I finished work around 2:45, and as soon as I got in the car I started talking to him, and then I was, you know, just casual chit chat, not normal stuff what we normally do, and then maybe 5 minutes into the journey I just like got home, showered and had a nap for 2 hours apparently. Slept on the lounge while my partner was on his laptop playing his game. Woke up and then, you know, got back to the swing of things. But yeah, I am going to edit this vlog now. This is probably the first vlog in a while that I'm just going to like edit fresh, like really fresh. And then tomorrow I've got a couple of things going on, so I will be vlogging that as well. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and again I'm very thankful to Rimmel London for the experience. As always, I never take the opportunities for granted. I always live in the moment and really appreciate everything that I get to do because of you guys. Yeah. Anyway, before I get sappy, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see some of the photos from the events, head over to my Instagram. I've got a few photos up already, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Oh yeah, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.